Look familiar, folks? This one's from New York. Signed by Barris, although Barris didn't do it. I'd like to know the story and how to discover it. Of course, so many of these cars are reproduced. It's still so exciting to see them because they bring back such wonderful memories. Look at the size of that quarter pound, how far they brought it back. Wow. Oh look, it's Davy Jones!
Davy Jones?
He probably doesn't even know who Davy Jones is. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2018 Mecum Harrisburg auction. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com. And while you're there, oh, I love that. Look at that. 3 pipes coming out. Makes no sense. Going into 4 pipes on that header system, which of course is fake. This is signed by George Barris. But again, Barris actually didn't do this car. He takes credit for it, but what's great is that the crew is just waiting for me to get done. I really appreciate it. Hey crew! Thank you! Oh yeah, definitely. Oh, that's for sure. As long as I don't sing along with the Monkees, they love it. It did already. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, you poor thing. So much fun to see these cars, I'll tell you. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.